The following video will show you how to use the Easy-VOC grab sampler. Position the sampling tube, non-sampling end first, into the rubber inlet. Select the sample volume required, either 50 or 100 milliliters, by aligning the red dot on the plunger with the pump shaft alignment mark. Pull the handle slowly and evenly until it latches at either half or full stroke. This should take between 5 and 10 seconds. When the flow has stopped, rotate the plunger a quarter turn clockwise after a 100 milliliter sample volume, or anti-clockwise after a 50 milliliter sample volume, and return the plunger to its starting position. For additional pump strokes, repeat the last two steps without removing the sample tube. The number of strokes taken can be recorded by rotating the counter on the pump. After sampling, remove the tube and cap, with either long-term storage caps for storage and transportation or diff-lock caps for analysis. For more information, visit marks.com.